Monsters University toy set in Disney Infinity. We are playing a Monsters University toy set in Disney Infinity. And in the last video, if you haven't seen it, we've just done one video, so we haven't done that much missions. In the last video, we only did 4 missions. Then we did 5. And it was pretty good for the first try. If you haven't seen it, you might will see it. So yeah, it's okay. I'm just telling you all this stuff. And hopefully this video will be as much as I'm gonna love as you are gonna love. Hopefully. Let's give it a go. Video starts now. Okay, so we're just gonna go around getting some missions here. We might go and talk to this lady. Oh my, is that a fear tech person? Sure. Okay, so I do know how to sneak. You reckon he's gonna do something to me if he hears me? So, okay, let's be quiet and let's sneak. Chase him. You get back here, you rapscallion! This is Monsters University.
You're not.
You get back here, you rapscallion! This is Monsters University. That means he just came, so. Ooh, there's a flag up there. I'd like to get that. Ah, scare the eye. Scare the eye. Squishy has a mission. I might not go and talk to her because I just talked to her. So let's talk to Squishy, shall we?
Did you see what Fear Tech did to all our statues and the School of Scaring? They're covered in toilet paper. It's so humiliating. What do you think we should do?
We should get rid of it. Let's do this. Let's make our campus. Let's make our campus clean. Let's make our campus. Let's make our campus clean.
What do you say?
Let's make our campus clean. Everyone ready? Let's make our campus clean. Let's make our campus clean.
Wow, that was kind of cool.
You see what time it took me to do that? Here you go. Do it again.
Nice scare.
Whoa, you could jump and scare.
Yeah, that'll show him.
He has another mission. I might just talk to
I've been
Squishy.
talking to the other guys, and we think you're ready to take this challenge back to Fear Tech. The engineering majors developed a toilet paper launcher to help you out. It'll come in handy, trust me.
All right.
Roll into some fun with the toilet paper launcher.
Whoa!
Wrap a favorite building, tree, or other landmark in a blanket of tissue. It's in the toy store, so check it out.
I see. We might just quickly buy it. Yes, I can buy it. I have lots of money. Wow. Oh, who's this guy? He's the mailman. Oh, he's massive. There's Squishy. Where's he going?
Your delivery has arrived.
He just barked on my toy. Now my toy is gonna be all disgusting. How mean was that? Well, I guess it's not mean. Like, he's a monster. Monsters do yucky stuff. Like, he's a monster. I mean, yeah, it's okay. That must be why he's massive also.
secret entrance we found to FearTech. Cool, huh? We just have to flip those switches to open the gate.
Oh, we're going to FearTech? I didn't know.
This looks like a job for packs and tools. Let's bring them up. Tools are things you carry in your hands, and packs are carried on your back. All right, now that you know how to get the packs and tools, try switching between them. Switch one more time. Want to try a quick swap? You can set it up here. Set up a quick swap. Pick out a pack or a tool that will help out with this mission. Select the correct pack or tool, and you'll be ready to go.
Got it.
Great!
Let's do this. Okay, now I know how to use packs and tools. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, not bad, if I do say so myself.
Let's do this. Go.
Hop on board this beastly bike. Whether you're doing tricks or speeding past the competition, it's the perfect bike for any size monster. And it's waiting for you in the toy store.
You did it! Now just follow this tunnel over to FearTech. We've got an undercover MU student waiting there to tell you what to do next.
Okay. Let's go. Whee! Whoa, this is cool. Whoa. Oh. Look at me over here. I'm fat. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. I'm fat. That's
Quick!
hilarious.
They need you over at FearTech. Be careful. Oh, and take this walkie-talkie. That way I'll be able to talk to you when you're off campus.
I know what walkie-talkies do. I got one for my birthday 2 years ago.
I totally rocked that.
Don't forget to check in with our student at the end of the tunnel. He'll tell you what to do from there. Good luck, pal!
What's that? Is that FearTech? I think so. Okay. Sure, where's the main campus? Oh, this is FearTech. I love it. Oh, let's go with story. Oh, these trees. Let's just get these and then it will be the end of the video.
Hey, Don said he needs to talk to you.
Okay, sadly though, we just about ran out of time in this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye!